If you've ever tried to book a flight using points and miles, you know the struggle is real. You've got the points, the dream destination, the vacation time blocked off, and then crickets. No award availability. Nothing but 200,000 point redemptions and frustration. But don't worry, there's a much easier way to search for award space. There are lots of tools out there that can help you do this, like point.me, Award Tool, PointsYeah, Roam, and Seats.arrow, just to name a few. Today we're going to be talking about PointsYeah, which is one of my favorite tools and one that I use all the time to find award space. This guide will walk you through exactly how to use PointsYeah to find award space for flights using points and miles. We'll break down its features, how to search effectively, and pro tips for maximizing your redemptions. Whether you're a seasoned travel hacker or just learning the ropes, this tool can save you time, frustration, and maybe even your sanity. So what is PointsYeah? PointsYeah is a free award search tool that helps travelers find flights bookable with points and miles. For example, if you're looking for business class flights to Europe, PointsYeah can show you availability on Air Canada Aeroplan, United Mileage Plus, and more without you having to log into each one of those sites separately, and that saves you a lot of time from toggling between tabs. It is such a great tool for award travelers to use because finding award space is often the hardest part of redeeming your points. PointsYeah makes that process easier, faster, and way less frustrating. So let's walk through how to use PointsYeah to search for an award flight. Go to PointsYeah.com and create a free account to start your award searches. You can find my affiliate link in the description of this video. On the homepage, select one-way or round trip, enter your departure and arrival cities, pick your desired travel dates, and choose the number of travelers and cabin class. If you're flexible, you can choose a date range of up to 4 days for a single search, which is nice because that saves you time from having to just search one day at a time. Click the Yeah button and run your search. PointsYeah will pull live award space from multiple airline programs and show you number of points required, availability by date, and which program the redemption is available through. So once your results are in, you can use filters to sort by lowest points, view direct versus connecting flights, or even just focus on specific programs like Air Canada or United or whatever. If you find something that you like, you can click on it and PointsYeah will direct you to the correct program to book your flight or tell you where to transfer your flexible credit card points. PointsYeah currently supports many of the major frequent flyer programs. Sometimes there are bugs and some programs won't show up that you're expecting to see. Airlines don't really want you to be using these sites to search for availability because they want you directly on their site searching for their flights. You can go to pointsyeah.com/system status to find out which programs are currently working and which ones aren't. Then you can search for those sites specifically to make sure that you aren't missing anything. So let's say that you want to book a flight from New York JFK to Paris in business class. On pointsyeah.com, a quick search shows you several different options. Without PointsYeah, you'd have to click through each of these programs individually. Instead, PointsYeah shows you everything in one place. So here are some pro tips to maximize PointsYeah. Search your round trips as one-ways because sometimes one-way award space is available while the round trip is not. So break it up and piece it together manually. Just search one way at a time. Try surrounding airports and airports that you're willing to reposition to. The more airports that you search, the more options. Also use flexible dates. Availability can vary widely day to day, so checking a few extra days can unlock lower point redemptions. PointsYeah lets you search up to 4 days at a time in one search. Also, add travelers slowly. So if you need 4 seats, try 2 at first and then search for another 2. Some airlines release limited seats per flight. So why use PointsYeah to search for award space? Well, number one, the multi-program search, instead of checking each airline individually, PointsYeah lets you see multiple programs at once. It's one of the fastest ways to find award space across alliances like Starlines, OneWorld, and SkyTeam. It gives you real-time availability, Unlike some tools that only shows theoretical space or cached results, PointsYeah gives you live award availability, which means that what you see is actually bookable. And it's free to use. While other tools like Award Logic or Expert Flyer charge a monthly fee, PointsYeah offers many of the same features for free. It also has an intuitive interface. The user experience is clean, modern, and it's beginner friendly. Even if you're new to travel hacking, it's easy to understand and navigate. And also it shows you transferable currency options. So have Chase Ultimate Rewards or Amex membership rewards. PointsYeah tells you which programs you can transfer to for booking. So here are some common mistakes to avoid. Not double checking award availability before transferring points is a major one. Always confirm that the space is still there. Ignoring partner programs. Sometimes booking through a partner costs fewer points and less in fees. Overlooking taxes and fees. You always want to factor in fuel surcharges, especially with international redemptions. So why should you bookmark PointsYeah? If you're serious about using your points for incredible travel, PointsYeah should be one of your go-to tools. It simplifies the most annoying part of award travel, finding available flights, and makes it easier and faster for you to get where you want to go. Whether you're trying to book a lie-flat seat to Europe, a family trip to Hawaii, or just a quick domestic getaway, PointsYeah is the free, no-brainer tool every hacker should be using. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and follow me for more travel hacking, points and mile strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.